This is no ordinary tracker. Meet Roam. This tiny tracker is your pocket-sized superpower. Sleek and stylish, it's perfect for keeping track of your everyday essentials. Roam is designed for your life. Strap, snap, and roam anywhere. And the best part? No need to pay for bulky cases. Roam securely grips onto anything. Lost something? Roam's advanced chipset works seamlessly with Android or iOS Find My app. No extra apps or monthly GPS fees. Track globally, locate locally, and even make it beep to guide you right to the spot. Life can be messy, but Roam is built to handle it all. Water-resistant and durable, it's ready for any adventure. With Roam's QR code integration, finding lost items is easier than ever. Scan, connect, and reunite. No hassle, no stress. From keys to bags, bikes, and more, Roam Smart Tracker keeps your essentials within reach. Wherever life takes you, Roam has you covered. Roam Smart Tracker. Never lose what matters.